Lionel Messi, the champion of the world, he is just arriving at PSG training ground after his suspension days over. Of course, PSG Football Club decided to suspend him due to the sense of showing the bad behavior, as he decided to plan to set a trip to Saudi Arabia with his family and teammates. In fact, it's something that was just not good on the side of the club, as the club took the decision to suspend him for 2 weeks. Of course, his punishment is just over now, and what he's doing is he has joined with his teammates on the training ground, as PSG is just getting up ready to play the remaining matches of the League One. In fact, PSG is just as a title contender of the League One, and they have more difficult matches ahead. And recently, they have poor performance. The performance which has been frustrating the PSG fans. It's a kind of performance which has been frustrating many PSG supporters. And despite of that situation, but Lionel Messi has remained as the icon and great decider of many matches, many great and biggest matches of this season. And the coming or his return to the training ground has been the pleasure to the technical bench, has been the pleasure to the PSG fans, some of the fans who knows what is the quality of the Lionel Messi. But in fact, there are some fans of the PSG Football Club who do not understand the value of this player. In fact, it should be clear that the last